if I could do this in it, then that means that it's fit. Okay. Oh, and my butt looks big. Ow. Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be super exciting, but before I get into this video, let's just address the elephants in the room. You guys have been wondering, where have I been? And there's literally no like video. Everybody was like, make a video on where you've been, but there's literally not a video I have to make. It's been school, literally kicking my but yeah, today's video is going to be super exciting. By the way, I do have shorts on, so if you're wondering, I just wear oversized shirts like every day. But today's video is so exciting because I'm doing a Fashion Nova haul. Of course, you guys have heard about Fashion Nova. If you haven't, you obviously live on a different planet. So literally before I collabed with Fashion Nova, I was on their website for every event, like every event. And also, I have not tried on any of these pieces yet. So if I like them, if I don't like them, you guys are gonna see what's going on like firsthand. And I'm gonna try to like pair these outfits how the Fashion Nova girls had them on the site, because everyone wants to look like, well, not everyone, but I wanted to look like a Fashion Nova girl, Instagram baddie, you know what I mean. So that's what I'm about to do, and let's get straight into the video. No, wait, another thing, make sure you guys hit that notification bell. That's the only way you guys are going to see when I upload new videos from now on. So make sure you hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button, and you guys will be set. Like, you won't have to worry about not seeing my videos when I post. So make sure you hit that. Now let's get straight into the video. Okay, so this is the first piece. It's like this little midi skirt. Obviously it's rose gold, and this is from Fashion Nova, but it didn't come with the clothes that I got for this haul. And this is called the Let 'Em Know skirt, and it's so cute, and it makes your girl look like I got a little don't. Make it feel good. Why I keep you wasting my time? Make it feel good, doesn't make it feel good. So usually when I order like off of websites, I get larges for some reason because I am taller. So I want my stuff to fit long, but I have to realize that I'm kind of small, petite. So the small is really what I should be getting, but I get like the sizes for my height. So this is actually a small. It fits really good. I'm glad I didn't get a large because that would have been tragic. It feels really good, and I'm able to like move in it. If I could do this in it, then that means that it fits. It fits if I could do that in it. Let them know skirt. Yes, honey. Yes. Yes, let them know. Okay, so this is the second item. Okay, so you remember when I told y'all how I get larges? This is a large, and it looks like a large because the arms are so long. And they're supposed to be like poofy arms, but they kind of like hang a little too much than they are supposed to. The model kind of had like on shorts with it. So that's what I paired my shirt with. I definitely feel like I could have got away with the most being a medium. I feel like a medium would have fit much better. It's not like loose or anything up here, so that's a good thing. It's just that these are like a little too long, but that's on my behalf because I just want to order stuff so big, and it's kind of supposed to be cropped, but these are high-waisted shorts, so that's really not showing on camera. But this is really comfortable, and I just like how I like my shoulders out. I love my shoulders, so this is really cute. I like this. It's so comfortable, and you can even pair this like with jeans or something. It doesn't necessarily have to be shorts, but I want to be a Fashion Nova model today, so I did the shorts like she did. So I believe this sweater came in another color, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was black. But I got the gray. Gray goes with anything. Gray goes with everything. So I really like this. But the only downfall is my arms. And I'm tall, so for this large to fit like large actually is like wow, it's really a large, you know. So this is cute. I like this. But ladies, if you're anything smaller than me and shorter than me, medium, small is your best bet. So cute. I love this. It's so comfortable. Okay, so I don't think this is supposed to fit like this because this, I don't remember picking this out. Hold on. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, so this is the fall's favorite twist sweater, and it's actually supposed to go like this. So you just pick this up and then you do that. Then you do that. That looks more like what I picked out. But this is how it's supposed to look. This is so cute. And what size is this? Okay, so I actually got this in a medium large. I'm okay with this in a medium large. For sweaters, well, this is meant to be like an oversized sweater. The other one was kind of meant to be fitted just a little bit, but this is an oversized sweater and this is a medium large. I don't regret not getting a small medium. It comes in small, medium, medium large. I don't regret getting a smaller size just because it's supposed to fit like off the shoulder, scrunched up in the back, kind of like this. So this is so cute, and you probably like could wear it like this too. Yeah, you could wear it like one shoulder. Okay, so you definitely need some covers with this because you can't really, well, a strapless bra maybe, but definitely some covers because I definitely almost flashed you guys there. You don't want to see that, you know. But this is so cute. It's so comfortable. I can definitely like pair this with some heels. This is also how the model was wearing it on the Fashion Nova site. She had some rips in her jeans, and I don't know, this is so cute. I really love this. I really do. I really do love this. And I think they had 2 other colors if I'm not mistaken. I know I saw burgundy. The burgundy one was to die, but I don't really have like any cream nude sweaters, so I went with this one. So this is so cute. I like this. Definitely wearing heels with this. Definitely. Don't be doing the most in this shirt because it definitely, if you move the wrong way, oh, it's coming down. It's coming down. It's gonna come down. So make sure you cover that right there, okay? Okay, so this is the next item. This is called the Say My Name Off the Shoulder dress. If you guys didn't get the picture yet, your girl likes off the shoulder everything. And this is in a size medium. Anything bigger would be too big, anything smaller would be too small. And I'm so surprised that I was kind of on the dot with all these things that I picked out because I'm usually just like a large type of girl. So me like going on Fashion Nova previously before getting these things in, I kind of know my size from past experience because I did get larges before and they were entirely too big. So I kind of know from shopping on there and my own experience. This is how it looks in the back. So cute. The model also had on like some clear sandals. Let me back up so you guys can see. It's not doing too much for, you know, this area because I'm not like a hippie girl, so I don't have hips. I don't really have like a stomach or anything, but I don't have hips, so this kind of makes me look straightforward just a little bit, but it's cute. And this area is not doing anything for me either, so I mean, it's cute. I don't really worry about that stuff. I'm not really too particular about my shape or anything, but this is cute. And another thing I like about this is that some of the shoulder things, like with that top, that wasn't really a problem because it was a stretchy like material. No, not stretchy, but it was like meant to be warm and like cuddly. But this is like meant for maybe like a club girls night out or whatever, and you want to be able to move your arms. So I like how I'm not like restricted with my arms. That's what I'm trying to say. So you're like able to move around with these, and it's cute. I like this. Like it. I like this. I can move in it. In it. So this is definitely giving me Selena vibes. It just reminds me of Mexico. I don't know, maybe the color, I don't know, it's just giving me Selena, honey, like fierce. Yes, I love this. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Okay, so this is the next dress. This one is super cute. It's so bright. It's like the same style as the other one, but it's a different material. This one's definitely more stretchy. So this one is the Angels Cry mini dress. Not too sure. Angels Cry mini dress, and this is in a size small. So I feel like if I would have got this in a medium, it would have been too big, and a large, of course, too large. So that one was, the other dress was in a medium. This one is in a small. So I don't know, guys. You just kind of gotta, I don't know what made me try this small, but it's working. And this is just screaming girls trip to me. Like, isn't this so cute? Like a girls night out. This is so freaking cute. I like how it, you know, hugs everything nicely. With this one, for some reason, it doesn't make me look as straight down as the black one, but I really like this one, and it's so comfortable. It is a little bit shorter than that black one, but you know, and I think this one came in another color. I believe it was green or like a turquoise or something like that, but this one is in a small once again. And this one's arms is the same like the other one. Okay, so this is the next skirt. This is called the So Set Mini Points skirt or something like that. I know that this is a size small. It does fit really well. And another thing, I probably would not pair this shirt with this, only because this shirt is doing so much. I feel like this shirt should be worn with jeans, or I don't know, just not this. It just looks like it's doing too much for me. I wanted to pair this shirt with the other skirt, which I'm super excited about, yet so nervous about, because I've never worn anything like that before. But back to this skirt. This skirt feels good. I feel like it could have been just a little bit tighter, because it does feel a little loose. Like if I put my legs together, it's kind of like loose in the back, but that's okay. Yeah, it's just a regular black skirt, not too much to say about it. It's just a basic black skirt. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have like a matching top. I'm not sure. Is it supposed to? I don't know, but it feels good and it's stretchable, so if you're a little thicker than me, then a small would also work for you. Okay, so the next skirt I'm so nervous about, but let's just jump into it. Never worn anything like this, and I'm so nervous, so let's see. Oh my gosh, no way. No ma'am. No ma'am. What? Okay, y'all, no. This is not, no. Oh my gosh, and it's zipped up. Ouch. Crap. Y'all, this is not gonna work. No. Let me step back so y'all can see the full look of this. This is giving me trash bag Vogue vibes. Definitely hefty. Like, this is giving me hefty. And the crazy thing is that it's stretchy. Like, the reason I got this as a larger size is because I thought it wasn't going to stretch, but obviously I don't know if they have reviews on Fashion Nova about this, but it's stretchy. No, I was so excited about this. Okay, so this is called the Found a Boy, girl, I'm not finding no boy. Found a Boy latex maxi skirt. And I got this in a, what size did I get this in? So looking on the site, they did have an extra small, so an extra small definitely would have been my cup of tea. So I mean, the skirt definitely had potential. Like, I was looking forward to trying this skirt on, but the medium, way too big. And The small probably would have been a little bit too big, and I see that they actually do have an extra small, so the extra small probably would have been my best bet, definitely. And the fact that it like has the leg open in the back is not helping it at all. Oh my gosh, no. Oh, another thing, this shirt is also from Fashion Nova. I got this like way in October sometime, and this is a size small, and this fits so good. Like the material, I wore this once and I don't know, I washed it, nothing happened to it. It just feels really good. Like the material is stretchy, but it's still tight and form-fitting, and I just love this shirt. So yeah, this is also from Fashion Nova. Oh my gosh, it's on the wrong way. Oops. Okay, so this is the final piece. Save the best for last. Y'all don't know how long I wanted like an outfit like this, and simply because it just reminds me of like Yeezy season, you know. All I need is a little hat and some $3,000 shoes. I love this. This is so comfortable. Like, this is me every day. Like, I'm such a, not a tomboy, but I'm such a comfortable person. You'll never really catch me like, I don't know, like dressing up rarely. Like me AF. This is so cute. I love this. So this is called the Bonsai Biker set, and this is in a size small. The smallest size they have is an extra small. So I do believe I could have got away with an extra small. It fits really well around the thigh area, and this also fits. It fits okay, but I feel like an extra small would have fit just. Well, you know what? I don't know. Let me see. How does the back look? How does the back look? I guess it fits okay. It has a little room in it, but I could work with that. And also this part right here, that's the only reason why I say it could be an extra small. Wait, let me put on a jean jacket. So this is how the model was wearing it on the picture on the Fashion Nova website, and this is so adorable. I just love this. Super comfy, but it's also like making a statement. Also nude on any skin color looks bomb, and I think this came in, I believe, black and white also, if I'm not mistaken. I know for sure it came in white and nude, but I just love this set so much. If they have, I'm gonna definitely go back on Fashion Nova and search to see if they have like anything similar to this, even if it's like a bodysuit or even like a one piece. I also like when it's not like a crop top and it's like a one piece with the biker shorts. So I'm gonna definitely go check back and see, because I do have Fashion Nova credit. So I'm going shopping after this. But I love this. This looks so cute, super like simple, but like I said, still makes a statement. So, oh, and my butt looks big. Ow. And I saw something similar to this in the mall, but the quality wasn't, you know, all that, but it was more of a cotton stretchy material. This one, it just feels like quality, so you can definitely tell the difference between this and like probably like another store you would get it from. But I really like this. Super comfortable. Like, I'm gonna keep saying that because it's so comfortable and so me, but I love this. I really do. Okay, so that will conclude this video. That was all of the items I picked out off of the site. I really hope you guys enjoyed these type of videos. That's basically all I have to show you guys in this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Once again, thank you Fashion Nova for sending me these items. I had so much fun. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. So make sure you click that. That's the only way you're gonna see when I upload anytime. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.